All right, thanks for watching. We have a Milwaukee pack out shop vac here. It's got the fuel brushless motors in it. I'll try to zoom in on the exact model. But it's very reliable. Runs off the M18 batteries. I have a couple of attachments here for it that I bought. These run about $20, $22, I think. Little attachments, but it also comes with some attachments that are cleverly packed in here. And of course, the battery goes here. Got two attachments in here. So that's kind of convenient to have. You always have those with you. You don't have to drag around these. These are just very, very durable, nice attachments. The hose, I guess, is a stretchy, slinky type hose, which is very nice. It doesn't come unattached. I had a different brand that would pop unattached all the time. This one does not. Easy to put back, nice and compact. Take that latch off over there, take that latch, and you can dump the trash very easily. Then just pop it back into place. It's a very nice unit. Should last a long time with the fuel brushless motor. Should have a long service life. And if you got the pack out system as I do, it's nice to throw it on top of that, easy to transport. So it works very well for RVs, cars, for cleanup after cutting wood. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.